If you are a teacher or individual user and want to claim your licenses, create a classroom, add students to the system, or simply log in, you're in the right place. I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. Okay, so the first step is going to be to claim your license. To do that, you need to head to license.firialabs.com. I'm going to get there through the link on the Getting Started page right here, but there's also a link in the description of this video if you want to go through there. Then you're going to need to log in. Now, you should do this using the same email that the order was placed with, if at all possible. I'm just going to sign in with Google. That's going to bring you to this page where you're going to click this yellow Claim Order button. If you are using the same email that the order was placed with, your order will automatically be linked to your email. So you can go ahead and just click on the Show Order button right here. If you are not using the email that the order was placed with, you'll need to go to the inbox of the email that the order was placed with and locate this email titled Codespace Claim Code Firia Labs. It will be from info@firialabs.com and it was automatically sent on the date of your purchase. Disclaimer, it may or may not be in your spam folder, so make sure to check there if you can't find it. Now within that email, there's going to be a claim code right here. You're going to need to highlight the claim code and then copy and paste it into the Find Order by Claim Code box right here. Then just click Submit Claim Code. Whether it was automatically linked with your email or if you used a claim code, it will bring you to this same page, and all you're going to have to do is select the license you want to claim and click Claim Licenses. And then all that's left to do is to activate your license. So you're going to click this yellow Activate button, and it just reminds you that by clicking this button, you are starting the countdown to expiration. Additionally, activation is required to set up your classroom in the teacher dashboard. So just click this Activate License button here, and you have successfully claimed your license. All right, moving on to step 2, creating a classroom. So once your license is activated, you're going to proceed to the teacher dashboard. Again, I'm going through the link in the Getting Started page. This is where all of your classes will be listed. Now, don't worry if, like me, you have a blank page. That just means you haven't created any classes yet. So first, you're going to click on the Add Classroom button in the top right corner of the table here. Then you're going to enter a class name. I'm just going to say Getting Started and select a product for your classroom. Now the checkbox here just determines how you will add students to the class. If you want students to be able to join the class using a join code that you give them, then keep that box checked. This is the most common and simple option. But if you want to manually add students via their emails, then you're going to uncheck that box. I'm going to keep it checked. And if you're using Google Classroom as your learning management system, this is where you're going to connect that. I'm not. Then just click Create Class and voila, you've made a classroom. Now let's add some students. Now, if you kept the Allow Members to Join with Join Code box checked when you were creating your classroom, this is where you're going to need to share that join code with your students. The code will be located right here in your table of classrooms. Now, you might be thinking, once the students have the code, what do they do with the code? To that I say, fair question, fair point. Do not fret, I will show you. So first they're going to head to Codespace, sim.firialabs.com. Then they're going to log in either here or in the bottom left corner. Again, I'm signing in with Google. Now that should bring them to this screen, but if it didn't, then it's located right here in the Select Class button in the top left. Now this pop-up is going to show all of your available classes, including the free ones that we offer. So then the student can just click this Join Class button in the top right, and this is where they're going to enter their join code. When the student enters the join code, that class should automatically be activated and the student can start working. Now, if you instead opted to manually add students to your class using email addresses, that's done in the teacher dashboard. Detailed instructions for how to add students manually are on the Getting Started page right here. With this option, once you complete these steps, the students will automatically see your new class in their available classes when they log into Codespace. And that's it. You're now ready to embark on your coding adventure with Firia Labs. Happy coding!